The plan was to leave Dale, go round St Anne's Head to Stockholm and Skoma, and then back to Dale. We went for a walk first to see if there are any tide races to be aware of, which there are, especially between Skoma and the mainland. We left the lovely little village of Dale an hour before high tide. The weather was perfect, light wind and beautiful sunshine. Heading around St Anne's Head, the swell started to pick up, but once past the lighthouse, the swell became much stronger. What can't be seen in the video is a weather front on the horizon. We made the decision to change our plans. We stopped off at Watwick Bay, a beautiful sandy beach which is only accessible by boat or by a long walk. We headed across the mouth of the haven to take a closer look at Sheep Island. As you can see, it's only just an island. On our journey back we went around Thorpe Island, a 17th century fort built to defend the Royal Dockyard at Pembroke against the French Navy and Napoleon III. The fort has a very interesting history which can be found on the internet. Although it was still brilliant sunshine, the wind had started to pick up. It was good to get back into the shelter of Dale. We'd had a great trip out in the boat, but Stockholm and Skoma will have to wait for another day.